This orientation video is going to show you how to use forums, which are open discussion areas that all students can see and use to share common information and ideas. There are two places you could find forums in the my.TAFE navigation links. Under the Share section, you will find forums that are related to learning content. These are often in the form of a question or case study and are used to let you, other students and your teacher discuss topics of interest about that particular question, idea or piece of content. The other is the group or course forum, which you will find in the Tools section. This area can be used for more general discussion, questions about assessments and those sorts of things. They both work the same way. We'll look at a topic forum first. Click on Forums and click on the relevant topic. If you are the first person to visit the forum, you will see something like this. There should be a question, case study or instructions on the left-hand side that relate to something you would have been reading in Study Topic 1. Being first, you need to click on the New button. It could appear next to or even below the forum heading. These text boxes then appear that allow you to create a post. Try using a relevant title, something that's related to your message. You can see here we can add web addresses and attachments to our post. There are also a couple of buttons off to the right hand side here. You can see the ABC with the tick. That's going to let us do a spell check. The pencil allows you to do formatting such as bold, italics and colors. But for readability it's probably easy just to leave it as plain text. When you finish typing your message, click on the Post button. It will then appear at the top of the forum, just below the headings and the buttons. You can also click the Reply button to respond to someone else's post. The process is the same as if it was a new message. Try to change the title. So that it's relevant to the message that you're sending. And again, use that Post button. Remember that my.TAFE records all entries and messages, so be polite and think before you post, even though you can usually edit after you've posted. Your teacher may also choose to moderate messages, so you might need to wait for approval before new messages appear. Here we can see the group forum. It has the same buttons and works in exactly the same way as I just demonstrated in the other forum. It just has a bit more room to display messages. I mentioned at the start of this video that forums are open spaces for group discussion, but sometimes individual discussion or single answers are sought from your teacher. This is where journals are used, which is the next video that you should watch.